Okay, we're over by Galaxy right now, and we're gonna kind of navigate through Taipa all the way over to Macau side, over a bridge and all kinds of cool stuff. So yeah, stay tuned and we'll show you what it's like to drive in Macau a little bit. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so here we are in Macau. We're going to be driving not too far from Galaxy. This is Taipa. This is actually the southern part of Taipa, and right behind me used to be an island. This is an island, and then that used to be water, but then now it's connected to the Cotai Strip. So we're going to be kind of going through Taipa, and we're going to try to navigate out of here and then go to the other side over a bridge. So yeah, stay tuned. Give you a little insight of what Macau looks like by car, by driving, and yeah, this, I'll tell you, we'll come across all kinds of stuff, I'm sure, as I'm driving. So right, this is a little one lane, and this is Taipa Village straight ahead of me, and we got kind of a one lane right here. Let me get into that lane. Oh, good. The bus, sometimes the bus will block people, but in this one I get to go around them, so I'm gonna go around them like this, and I think I'm gonna go down this way, and we're gonna try to navigate. So now straight ahead is Galaxy, and then to the left is school, and straight ahead is what used to be like the port of Taipa. So that little yellow thing that we started at, we're back at it again, and then we're gonna go down this other lane right here. But that is where that used to be, you know, where this whole area used to be like firecrackers and what was the other one? Like some kind of oyster, I think oysters maybe, but something they would you know, harvest from the oceans, right? And then that would be kind of the port on the southern part of Taipa. But now it's all landfill, and it goes all the way to Koloan and Taipa are now fused together with this little area called Cotai, which is all the casinos, or the biggest casinos anyway. It's not all of them, but, and actually Cotai is a mixture of Koloan and Taipa. So okay, so we got the green light. There's lots of construction everywhere. Straight ahead now is Venetian Casino, and then you can see where the light rail train is at. That light rail train basically goes to, I think half of the stations are casinos, and then maybe about a third of them are immigration points, like ferry, terminal, airport, this other little thing called the frontier, which is to like buses go to China over there. So so anyways, we're gonna be navigating towards Macau side. There's some casinos. That's the Galaxy Casino right there, and now we're gonna be going through more construction. So yeah, that's the light rail train right there. So that one is one of the few places that's actually good for locals, because you can go into the Taipa area right through that station, come out of the station and go into Taipa, Old Taipa, which is quite popular with people that live in Macau. To the right is all under construction. That's going to be some more train line. Oh, that is a train line, and then it's going to be more like more car friendly, basically. So this right here is all under construction as well. Straight ahead is China, but we can't go there, of course. And you can see to the left there's a sign that says Koloan. That's kind of like beaches and some forest and some hiking trails. But luckily Macau has that kind of stuff, which is great. You can kind of see to the sides of me are all these guys. They're kind of lining up. I don't want to move the camera too much. I'm going to just try to keep it straight ahead. But we're going to be navigating now, and to the left you're going to see all this construction. It'll be interesting. You can see lots of cranes everywhere in Macau. It's COVID definitely brought in a lot of the trains and construction and things like that. But it seems like there's kind of never-ending construction. There's a policeman. They kind of navigate these intersections like that, so you can see him straight ahead there. This was a rotary just about a month ago, like a rotary where you go into a circle, and now they put stoplights here, and it looks like they're going to try to transform it into some other way. But also, as you can see to the right, there was all those kind of highway stuff. So it looks like they're going to build, they are building something that's going to bypass all of this so that people can cross the city without, you know, stopping all these different places. Okay, so as you can see, all these mopeds, they're kind of the first ones to jump out in front of me. They're kind of the kings of the road. Got to be kind of careful of them too, because they kind of ignore a lot of things. So you don't really like, they kind of like, even for in a little one lane, they might try to go around you. So I see some that have some pretty nasty accidents because they kind of drive like they're immune from any kind of accidents, you know. Like basically, if there's a stoplight, they're all the first. They go up there around all the cars and get up there as close as they can, and then they drive as fast as they can out of the red light, and then of course the cars catch up to them. Okay, those things above the street right there, those are cameras. So Macau is very, very camera oriented. So those cameras will catch you and give you a speeding ticket quickly. And I think it's I think you're allowed like 2 speeding tickets or something like that within a 3-year period, something like that. And if you get them, then your license is gone for 3 years. So something to not mess with. Yeah, and right here, this street, basically this street kind of gets you out of the madness of driving in the city parts, because the city parts can be quite dense with pedestrians everywhere. So they put the traffic out on this way. Oh, let me see. Gonna move over a little bit. We're gonna go under a tunnel in a minute, and then we're gonna come out on a bridge. To the right over there is the end of the light rail train. It goes to Ocean Gardens, which is to the right, which you can't see at the moment. You won't be able to see it. Maybe you saw it back there. I'm gonna try not to move the camera around because it's kind of not that good if I'm moving it around all the time. Let's keep it straight ahead, right? So now we're in a tunnel, and it kind of reminds me of Hong Kong. Hong Kong has lots of tunnels, bring you everywhere. Gonna merge, and you can't see it, but there's a car that's like trying to pass me right when you're supposed to be merging. He's trying to pass. Quite common in Macau, it seems like. So on this particular bridge, there's the motorcycles go into the right, and the cars go into the left. And we're going to be going towards Namban. There's Macau Tower to the right. So yeah, this is one of the 3 bridges. I don't know if it's the longest one. There's definitely one that's much longer. I think the longest one is 1.2 kilometers, I think it is. This one's, maybe this is 1.2 kilometers, and the other one is like, who knows what. Yeah, there's a guy that's trying to pass me on the left. I think on this particular road you can go quite fast, so some people do. So the person to the left of me, he's definitely wants to drive fast. Most of the city it's 60 kilometers an hour, but I think on this one right here it's 80. This bridge, yeah, beautiful bridge. This bridge is at nighttime. It's amazing. Because to the right you're gonna see Pena Hill, and so now we're coming into the Macau side, and I'm gonna be going into Namban Lake around that way. So we're gonna keep focused in that particular direction. So that also means I need to get in that other lane. So yeah, look at these views. You got Pena, there's Pena Hill straight ahead. Some casinos straight ahead, and then Macau Tower is also straight ahead too. And we're going to be merging, we're going to be going towards Namban Lake. So So this is going to be a little bit of a challenge because it's hard to see. Okay, we can merge into this lane. Yeah, so now you kind of get an idea of what it's like to drive around in Macau. It's actually pretty cool. It's a really dense city, so there's a lot of I don't know, driving is totally different than driving in like flat places. Because Macau has little hills everywhere and a series of islands too, right? To the left is Namban Lake, and then there's Peña Hill and Peña Church to the left. Oh, to the immediate left, the one that's really close, is a fire station. But Peña Hill was in the distance, up on the hill. And now we're going to be coming into just general Macau. Yeah, so it'll get a little bit more denser in here, but this is nowhere near the dense areas. I do want to take the car into the dense areas sometimes, and sometime you'd be quite surprised at how interesting it is to drive. Basically kind of got everything in that area, so this is actually quite navigatable, very navigatable. Beautiful trees to the left. That's one nice thing about Macau. It's like, it's dense, but there's a lot of big trees like that. Kind of give you lots of shade, and they also eat up a lot of the carbon dioxide from the cars. And let's see, I might actually try to find a nice place to end, because we're kind of getting into something that might be a little bit too long. But at least, so maybe we'll just do a little recap. So we started out in Taipa village in Taipa, and then we kind of went around the peripheral part where we were actually on the inner, there's a waterway that then China would have been to the left, and then we went over the bridge, and that bridge is the closest to China. There's 3 bridges, and you know, one of them is closer to Hong Kong. One of them actually goes to Hong Kong as well. It's closed because of COVID. And then, so anyways, we went over, that was called Saivan Bridge, the one that we took. And now we're basically in kind of downtown Macau proper. But all this stuff right here, this is called Grand Praia Avenida de Grande Praia. Avenue of the big beach. So this used to be ocean right here, and they reclaimed a lot of land that's to the right of me and made it into casinos and things like that. I want to get into that left lane, but now you can see how things are getting a little bit hairy, right? So anyways, maybe we'll end it right there. This, we'll take it a little bit further. I just don't want these videos to go too long, so we'll be careful. If you know what, I am gonna take a right. And we're gonna turn off the camera in a little bit, so but at least you can kind of get a feel for what some of this looks like. Yeah, pedestrians have the right of way here, so they can go, and cars kind of definitely have to stop for them. Okay. Oh, this is dangerous. There's a little kid. They're gonna run across here. Okay, well anyways, that's a little taste of Macau for you. We'll end it right there, I guess.